trying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get it up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes the way.
Alright, yeah, you guys, so today is July the 1st. So today's July 1st. It's Tuesday. It's 11:38 in the morning. I got up, got dressed. I flat ironed my hair last night. Today I just felt motivated to get up and get dressed and decided to turn the camera on so I can at least look decent while I am trying to be consistent with vlogging. During our last vlog, I believe we were at a hotel because my son's birthday was last week. So we were at a hotel. I think that's what we vlogged last week. So if it's not in this video, go check out our last video because I think that's where we left off at. Okay, you guys, so the baby just woke up. So the baby just woke up. Ramir found him. Good job. So that's what we're going through right now. I'm going to try to wash these dishes, put them up. Y'all know I've been telling you guys that I've been trying to gain some weight. I am constantly...
That's what I said. You need to gain some weight, Mom.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, y'all, so I've been getting on the scale. I'm 113 pounds right now. Yesterday, I was 115. I ate a whole... Look at this little man. Look at him. Look at him. Yeah, y'all. I am 113 pounds. This weight thing is so inconsistent, but I'm also inconsistent as well. This is me today. My son is literally going to be 1 next week. So this is a year postpartum. 1 year postpartum. 113 pounds. I don't know. But I do know it's about time for him to get up off me because he has bitten me not once, not twice, but 3 times. I want to get him totally off of breastfeeding and move him on to more solids. I give it till 6 months, and then 6 months turn into 12 months. And we're not trying to go no further than that.
Because right now I am looking kind of thin, you guys.
But yeah, so I'm about to clean this house, finish cleaning up, put these dishes and everything away. I'm going to make me a smoothie, and then I'm going to prep the chicken for lunchtime because that's when we're going to eat. It's 11:38 right now, so I'm going to prep the chicken, get ready to put that on, and I will see you guys in a minute. Bye. I mean, that's too big. Yes. You see how big that is? He's going to get the smaller one.
Well, that box is clean. This one says one.
I brought all of these.
You bought all of them?
Yeah.
Well, he can share. He got this one on too, because it can take one more and so. Marry me, dip.
It is so hot. These seats are burning me. Woo! I asked for this heat and we got this heat. It's hot. It's 1:30, y'all. I'm about to head to the dollar store, get another broom and some cleaning supplies. I think this, I don't know what I gotta get. I do gotta get a broom though. So I'm just gonna run to Family Dollar real quick, see what I can get. I need to get like some type of accessories to add to my countertops. We're gonna see what we do when we get in there, but I'm about to head out now. Every time I come outside, I'm spending money. Oh, and I also gotta go to the post office. This heat is no joke. It is really hot. You don't need to be outside. Unfortunately, it's really hot. But it's been a nice day so far. I did get a couple of business phone calls. I am going to set my son's water slide up so that way he can be outside with that. We also got him a little tent. Look at that car scoot over. We also got him a little outdoor tent They were sitting in it yesterday, so I think that's really cute for them to be outside in some shade. So they're gonna have their little tent and also their little water slide, and we're gonna let them just spend some time outside, probably around 4 or 5-ish later in the evening. That way it's not super duper hot. Should I go to Food Lion? I know if I go to Food Lion, I'm gonna be in there all day. I'm gonna spend so much money if I go to the grocery store. I'm just gonna go here really quick. I just made it to a Dollar Tree. This hair, my bun is coming down. She's falling down. But I just made it to the store. I'm about to grab a broom, see what else I can get out of here. And then I'm gonna head back to the house. It's super duper hot outside, y'all. I'm not trying to be out here too long. I'm not gonna do anything too much. It's 1:36 right now. I'm going to Dollar Tree, see if I can find me a broom and things, and I'm gonna head back out. Bye. So I walked straight out. I walked straight out of there. They only got one cashier, and the line is to the back of the building. Everybody got carts filled. I'm not staying in line for that. Yeah, I'm gonna go to another Dollar Tree because I refuse to go into Walmart because I know it's gonna make me sick. Should I go to Walmart? Should I go to Walmart while we're here? While we're here? We'll see. Dark in here. So I'm looking for a broom, and I'm also looking for some greenery that I can put. Oh, we got some cute little, let me do some hair. Something little like this. This is cute. Love makes a house a home. It's $3. I'm gonna get this. I might put this somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I'm going to get that. And I'm gonna get this little plant here.
I don't think I even.
And then this. And I need to get right here. Should I get a little one? I'm just gonna get this little one right here. That's all we need. I got the broom. I'm gonna get some more paper towels, just in case. And then I'm gonna see you guys outside. So I'm gonna get some more paper towels. So I got this as well. I'm gonna put this on the kitchen table. I think I'm gonna put this on the counter. And I got this jar here is gonna be for my SOS pads. What? So we're going to, I'm gonna stack this up here. So I'm gonna restock all of this. These are needed in the house. So needed. Some more trash bags. Pads here. We're gonna go ahead and fill it up again. What are you over there complaining about, Ashira? I did get this from the store, so I don't know where I'm gonna put this at yet. And then I got a new floor mat for our bathroom upstairs. We're gonna restock this stuff. Just put them right on in here. I should have got a bigger one. Whoa. I'm gonna read that in. See if we can pack these in there. Ooh. So that's this jar. Would this be ugly to sit out here? So to have that to sit right there. And then this is gonna be our sofa